and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. That's right, there's one more on deck. I'm once again in the most lovely Nutley, New Jersey, the cutest of all towns. And we should probably, you know, figure out how all this works. I'm guessing you take a right on red. And yeah, and my buddy had a little party, not even a party, just a get together. And I won't be able to join him. Oh my god, I'm going so fast. Why? Won't be able to join him for Thanksgiving, because I usually kind of like have a Friendsgiving with my bro. So since I won't be able to do that, we hung out, you know, on the random Friday. What was yesterday? I don't even know. 13th or something, probably. So that was fun. Like, his cousins were there. We just played some darts, a bunch of games of darts, and you know, talked the shit up till damn near 3 in the morning for no reason. Well, over 3. And it's like 45 degrees right now, and I literally have my heated gloves in my backpack, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna wear them, because something told me it's yeah, anyway, so we'll see how warm indeed it was. Beautiful day, beautiful Saturday. I'm just excited because the thing is, it's like, this is how this works. If I didn't leave at 8:30, I wouldn't leave until like 12:30, because as soon as he wakes up, that's when I'm having a coffee, you know, or 2, a breakfast sandwich, and before you know it, I'm there for 3 more hours. But the biggest issue was that it's supposed to rain. I'm not sure how, I'm not sure why, because it doesn't look that way. There's no cloud in the sky. But supposedly in an hour it's going to be raining for the next 4 or 5. So I'm not trying to get wet either, because not only is it mid-40s, it's wet. That's not going to work for me. And we're more than likely going to go through Queensbridge, just because Williamsburg Bridge has been checkpoints, and there's actually a Broadway festival happening today. Ooh, that's going to be a problem. Interesting. We'll figure it out. But yeah, if there's some sort of a closed Broadway festival today, probably food and vendors, and might be hard to cross across Manhattan, so we'll figure it out. We'll just send it. Hot dog spot around here that I want to check out, but a little bit early for hot dogs at 9:30 in the morning. Well, no, not 9:30. It's 9 in the morning right now. supposed to turn this on, I believe. We got the stadium of some sort over here. Some sort of a little video. Oh no, look, there's people camping out and shit. Tailgating. There's a game today. Was it MetLife? No, it's not MetLife, that's in Queens. This is yeah, it is MetLife. I don't know shit. I don't know anything. But apparently there's a game. Cool. Another reason why I'm happy I went now and not a little bit later. This Florida car, I'm scared. Oh, some cops ahead, eh? Probably should relax a minute. Probably should relax a minute. So nice to get it to kind of like wake up in Jersey, because then you get right away, you get to go quick like this, you know. You don't have to like dilly-dally through like simple traffic. You just can send it right away. And so far there's zero traffic, which is incredible. I imagine that's not gonna last for too long now. New York City up ahead of me. Oh, right, there's a cop right here. I don't know where. I guess it's a little too late anyway. Holy shit, the air is cold. I'm just dressed nice. Literally, I just opened the windshield for a second. The air is fucking brisk out there, bruh. The air is serious. Nice road too. They really hooked it up. Moving, still cooking. Watch out for these cars. The pavement is super shiny. I'm not sure why. There we go. Last exit in New Jersey, Hoboken. That's where my boys are going. You better not fucking move over there, champ. Really? The son of a bitch went all the way to the right? Why? What are you doing, bro? Stop fucking weaving. Now he's gonna pass on the outside. Cocksucker. Cocksucker. Can you believe these two fucking piece of shit merchant trucks were having a full out race? Fucking losers. Well, the thing is, that's a big difference between me lane splitting and not showing fucking lanes and that jerk off doing it. Truth be told, I should have passed his ass. There's no reason why he's ahead of me. It's my fault. Going slow. This will go slow. Pretty certain. Morning, boys and girls. Welcome to another vloggy vlog as we enter